candidate.
Power Minister A.T. Mondal has stated that the implementation of the smart meters in Meghalaya will not proceed if the meters fail to meet the required standards. Mondal's statement comes in response to objections raised by certain quarters regarding the smart meter project. He recently sought additional funds under the revamped Distribution Sector Scheme RDSS from the Ministry of Power to prevent adverse impacts on consumers. He explained that the discovered cost of smart meters is significantly higher and that the additional cost would either have to be borne by the Discom distribution company or passed on to consumers.
I asked for a smart meter project. RDSS is having a component for a smart meter project. Now our discovered rate is quite high, and either this will be passed to this additional cost will be passed to consumer or to Discom. So it will depend after the entire program is implemented. So the difference is a little bit high. Of course, as compared to other northeastern states, we are well placed. It's not that much. That's why we thought that this additional fund, if it is supplemented by the Ministry of Power, it will be a great help to the organization. That was the request.
With the highly anticipated Bryan Adams concert set